we are proud to introduce to you today the new champion, the Redmi Note 10. The phone comes in three gorgeous colors, the aqua green, frost white and shadow black, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 3D curved back, 6.43-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display, a Full HD screen, 1100 nits, 100% DCI P3 color gamut support, 180 Hz touch sampling rate, the high-res audio dual stereo speakers, the haptic feedback with the new Z-axis motor, and all these things together make the Redmi Note 10 the actual champion. A design like that will of course require performance to match. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 678, 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM, 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The device comes with MIUI 12, a champion performance from a champion smartphone. It has a 48-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, 2-megapixel macro lens, 2-megapixel depth sensor, 13-megapixel in-display punch-hole camera with phenomenal night mode software, a 3.5mm headphone jack, an IR blaster, dual-layer graphite sheets, a splash-proof design and rubberized seals, surge protection in the charging adapter, the auto-cleaning speakers. To shoulder the load of a high-performance phone like this, the Redmi Note 10 comes with a 5000 mAh battery. The Redmi Note 10 also comes with a 33-watt fast charger in the box.
Redmi Note 10 in two different memory variants, 4GB, 64GB, rupees 11,999, and the 6GB, 128GB is rupees 13,999.
The Redmi Note 10, the new champion.